Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be teaching you 12 smart vocabularies in English language. With these vocabularies you can express your feelings and also your requirements. So if you are interested, continue watching this video guys. I'm so ready to teach you. Word number one will be from the ground up. Now, from the ground up means from the beginning. In Turkmen it means in başından. For example, for some students it might be hard to learn English from the ground up. Көп окуучулар инглиз тилин башынан öğrenmek kıyın болмоу мүмкүн.
Built myself from the ground up, but myself hard.
And the second word will be long time no see. Now, long time no see haçanna bir adamı köp wagtlap görmedik bolsaň, haçanna köp wagtdan soň salamlaşjak bolsaň, sen ona long time no see, köp wagt bäri görüşmedik diýip aýdyp bilersiň. Long time no see, köp wagt bäri görüşmedik diýmek bolýar. When you haven't met someone for a long time, you can say long time no see. For example, long time no see, how are you? And the next word will be cannot complain. Now, cannot complain means if everything is going well in your life, you can answer cannot complain. For example, long time no see, how are you? Cannot complain, how about you? In Turkmen, haçanna sizin ýagdaýlaryňyz gowy bolsa, siz cannot complain diýip jogap berip bilersiniz. And the next word will be piece of cake. Now, piece of cake means haçanna size bir iş itiňaň tady, ýagny şeyden de bitýän iş buyursa, siz ona piece of cake diýip jogap berip bilersiniz. Itiňaň tady. For example, most of the students find it hard to study math, but for me it's just a piece of cake. Köp okuwçylar matematikany okumany kyn görýärler. Emma mening üçin bu itiňaň tady. Another example, gelin şular ýagdaýy gözüňe getirip görelim. Siz pizza zakaz etdiňiz we siziň dostlaryňyz şu bar pizzany ýejekmi? Can you eat it all? And you say, for me it's just a piece of cake. Bar ýemekçimi? Hawa men üçin bir itiňaň tady. That's it.
Relax, fellas. This is going to be a piece of cake.
And the next word will be keep your hair on. Now, keep your hair on, it means use it to tell someone not to be angry. Example, easy bro, don't take it too hard. Keep your hair on. In Turkmen, birine gaharlanma diýip aýtjak bolsaň, keep your hair on diýip bilersiň. Or you can also say don't be angry. Next word will be listless. Now, guys, listless means when someone is really passive. Example, you look so listless today. What have you been up to? What happened to you? Sen yaman bugün passiv görünýärmi? Näme boldy sana? Listless means passive. Haçan adam özüni passiv diýip atbarsa, siz ona listless diýip bilersiň. You are so listless. And the seventh word will be it is as clear as mud. It is as clear as mud means ürän bulaşdyrjy. Example, Russian grammar is as clear as mud for me. Rus grammatikasy ürän bulaşdyrjy men üçin. And our eighth word will be top of the morning to ya. Repeat after me. Top of the morning. Top of the morning. Top of the morning to ya, it means use it to tell someone good morning. Instead of saying just good morning all the time, you can change this word with top of the morning to ya. Türkmen dilinde erteliňiz haýyrly. The ninth word will be breadwinner. Now, breadwinner means it's a person who supplies family with food and also with money. In Turkmen, maşgalany ekleýän, maşgalany pul bilen üpçün edýän adama breadwinner diýilýär. Example, now, being breadwinner is a hard job. Maşgalada pul kazanmak, maşgalany eklemek, ürän kyn iş. And our 10th word will be who cares. Who cares simply means kim aladetdi, farky ýok maňa. Example, tomorrow is test. Who cares? it doesn't matter. When somebody is acting in an impolite way, you can say, Who do you think you are? 여자등은 힘들어질 때.
You think you are running around leaving scars, collecting a jar of hearts. Who do you think you are?
Who asked you? Which means no one asked you. Sit down and relax. Senin soran mı demek oluyor. Guys, that's it for today. I hope you had a nice time with me, and I hope those vocabularies were a little bit helpful to improve your English vocabulary. For not missing my next videos, you can just subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I've got my Instagram and I have my IMO. Don't forget to like this video. That's very important. Bye. Have a bless.